Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farhan Salim. My name is 4422301007, and I'm from class TRPF 82 morning. And from now, I want to presentation about the type. My title presentation is ASME Sec 9 2021. First is welding general requirement. One, scope. The rules in this part apply to the preparation of welding procedure specification or WPS and the qualification of welding procedure, welder and welding operator for all types of manual and machine welding processes permit in this part. These rules may also be applied insofar as they are applicable to other manual or machine welding process permit in other section. 2. Procedure specification. The VPS or WPS used by an organization that will have responsible operational control of production welding shall be a VPS that has been qualified by that organization in accordance with Article 2, or it shall be an AWS Standard Welding Procedure Specification or SWPS. This in mandatory appendix E and adopted by that organization in accordance with Article 5. Both VPS and SWPS specify the variables or including range, if any, under which welding must be performed. This condition include the base metals that are permitted, the filler metal that must be used, if any, preheat and post-weld heat treatment requirements, except when a VPS is to be prepared by the organization. It must address as minimum the specific variables both essential and non-essential, as provided in Article 2 for its process to be used in production welding. In addition, when reference code standards or specification required together, qualification of the WPS, the supplementary essential variables must be addressed in the WPS. 3. Performance qualification. In performance qualification, the basic criterion established for welder qualification is to determine the welder's ability to deposit sound weld metal. The purpose of the performance qualification test for the welding operator is to determine the welding operator's mechanical ability to operate the welding equipment. 4. There are test position for groove weld and test position for fillet weld. For groove welds may be met in the test coupons oriented in any of the position, and as described in the following paragraph in this PPS, except that an angular deviation of minus plus 15 degree from the specified horizontal and vertical planes and an angular deviation of plus minus 5 degree from the specified inclined plane or permit during welding. And for the field weld may be made in test coupons oriented in any of the position and as described in the following paragraph, except that an angular deviation of 5 plus minus 15 degree from the specified horizontal and vertical planes in permits during welding. There are pipe position for groove and pipe position for groove. On pipe position for groove, in pipe position for groove, there are four in this position. One, flat position 1G, flat in horizontal plane with the welds metal deposit from above. Two, There are horizontal position 2G, that in vertical planes with the axis of the weld horizontal. 3. Vertical position 3G, plates in a vertical planes with the axis of the weld vertical. And last is overhead position 4G, plates in horizontal planes with the weld metal deposits from underneath. So there another material that pipe position for growth. There are four two like pipe position. First is pipe position 1G, pipe with its axis horizontal and rod during welding so that the weld metal is deposited from above. 2. Horizontal position 2G, pipe with its axis vertical and the axis of the weld in a horizontal plane. Pipe shall not be rotated during welding. 3. Multiply position 5G, pipe with its axis horizontal and with the welding groove in vertical plane. Welding shall be done without rotating the pipe. And last is multiply position 6G, pipe with its axis inclined at 45 degree to horizontal. Welding shall be done without rotating the pipe. And there are flat position and pipe position 2 for fillet. First, flat position 1F. Let's so place that the well is deposited with its axis horizontal and its throat vertical. 2. Horizontal position 2F. Let's so place that the well is deposited with its axis horizontal on the upper side of the horizontal surface and against the vertical surface. 3. Vertical position 3F. Let's so place to that the well is deposited with its axis vertical. And last, overhead position for F. Let's suppose that the well is deposited with its axis horizontal on the underside of the horizontal surface and against the vertical surface. And there are pipe position for fillet. First is flat position 1F, pipe with its axis inclined at 45 degree to horizontal and rotated during welding so that the weld metal is deposited from above, and that at that point of deposition the axis of the weld is horizontal and the throat vertical. 2. Horizontal position 2F and 2F are A. Position 2F, pipe with axis vertical so that the well is deposited on the upper side of the horizontal surface and against the vertical surface. The axis of the well will will be horizontal and the pipe is not to be rotated during welding. B. Position 2FR, pipe with its axis horizontal and the axis of the deposit well in the vertical planes. The pipe is rotated during the welding. 3. Overhead position 4F, pipe with it pipe with its axis vertical so that the weld is deposited on the underside of the horizontal surface and against the vertical surface. The axis of the weld will be horizontal and the pipe is not to be rotated during welding. And last, multiply multiple multiply position 5F, pipe with its axis horizontal and the axis of the deposit weld in the vertical planes. The pipe is not to be rotated during welding. And 5 is fillet weld. First is test procedure. The dimension and preparation of the fillet weld that test coupons for procedure qualification as required shall conform to the requirement. The test coupon for plate to plate shall be cut transversely to provide 5 test specimen sections, each approximately 2 in 50 millimeters long. So for pipe to plate or pipe to pipe, the test coupon shall be cut transversely to provide four approximately equal test specimen section. And the title B is welding procedure qualification. Each organization shall be prepared with written welding procedure specification that are defined as follows. There are A. Welding Procedure Specification or WPS. WPS is Written Qualified Welding Procedure prepared to provide direction for making production weld to code requirements. The WPS or other documents may be used to provide direction to the welder or welding operator to assure compliance with the code requirement. B. Contents of the WPS. The complete WPS shall be described all the essential, non-essential, and when required, supplementary essential variable for each welding process used in the WPS. These variables are listed for each process in QW 250 and are defined in Article 4, Welding Data. The WPS shall reference the supporting procedure qualification records or PQR described in QW 202. The organization may include any other information in the WPS that may be helpful in making a code weldment. C. Change to the WPS. Change may be made in the non-essential variable of the WPS to suit the production requirement without requalification provides such change are documented with respect to the essential, non-essential, and when required, supplementary essential variable for each process. This may be by amendment to the WPS or by use of a new WPS. Change in essential or supplementary essential variables require qualification of the or of the WPS or new additional PQRs to support the change in essential or supplementary essential variables. And D, format of the WPS. The information required to be in the WPS may be in any format, written or tabular, to fit the needs of each organization, as long as every essential, non-essential, and when required, supplementary essential variable outlined in QW 2250 is included or reference from QW 4482. See non-mandatory Appendix B has been provided as a guide for the WPS. This form includes the required data for the SMAW, SAW, GMAW, and GTAW process. It's only a guide and does not list all required data for other process. It also lists some variables that do not apply to all processes, except listening shielding gas, which is not required for SAW. For yes, for SAW, the quiet does not easily lend itself to multiple for process procedure specification, except gateway route with SMAW field. C. Welding performance qualification. This article lists the welding process separately with the essential variable that apply to welder and welding operator performance qualification. The welder qualification is limited by the essential variable given for each welding process. These variables are listed in QW 350 and are defined in Article 4 Welding Data. The welding operator qualification is limited by the essential variable given in QW 360 for each type of weld. A welder or welding operator may be qualified by volumetric NDE of the test coupon or their initial production welding within the limitation of QW 304 and QW 305 or by bench tests taken from test coupons. For the purpose of establishing performance qualification continuity, the welders or welding operators qualification continuity begins from the date welding of the test pieces was complete, provided the requirement testing was performed and the test result obtained were acceptable. Test. Intents of test. The performance qualification tests are intended to determine the ability of welder and welding operator to make sound weld. Qualification test. Each organization shall qualify each welder or welding operator for each welding process to be used in production welding. The performance qualification test shall be well in accordance with qualified welding procedure specification or WPS or standard welding procedure specification or SPS WPS list in mandatory appendix E, except that when performance qualification is done in accordance with WPS or SWPS that require a pre-heat or post-weld heat treatment. This may be omitted. Change beyond which requalification is required are given in QW 350 for weld and in QW 360 for welding operator. Allowable visual, mechanical, and radiographic examination requirements are described in QW 304 and QW 305. Retest and renewal of qualification are given in QW 320. The welder or welding operator who prepares the groove weld with PS qualification test coupons meeting in the requirement of QW 200 is also qualified within the limits of the performance qualification. This in QW 304 for welders and in QW 305 for welding operators. The welder or welding operator is qualified only within the limits for position specified in QW 303. The welder or welding operator who prepares the field weld WPS qualification test coupons meeting the requirement of QW 200 is qualified to weld non-pressure returning field weld only within the limits of the performance qualification listed in QW 304 for welders and in QW 305 for welding operators. The welder or welding operator is qualified only within the limits for position specified in QW 303, QW 301 and 3. Identification of welder and welding operator. Each qualified welder and welder operation shall be assigned an identifying number, letter, or symbol by the organization, which shall be used to identify the work of that welder or welding operator. QW 301 for record of test. The record of welder performance qualified or with WPQ test shall include the essential variable QW 350, the type of the test and test result, and the range qualified in accordance with QW 452 for each welder. The record of welding operator performance qualification or WOPQ test shall include record are given in from QW 484A or QW 484B. See non-elementary appendix B. QW 302 type of the test required. QW 302 1 mechanical test except as may be specified for special process. The type and number of the test specimen required for mechanical testing shall be in accordance with QW 452. That specimen shall be removed in a manner similar to that shown in so field well test specimen shall be removed in manner similar to that shown in QW 462 and 462 for A and 462 for D and under 463 into H. All mechanical tests shall meet the requirement prescribed as applicable volumetric NDE. When the welder or welding operator is qualified by volumetric NDE as permits in welders and for welding operators, the minimum length of coupons to be examined shall be in 6 in 150 millimeters and shall include the entire weld circumference for pipes, except that for small diameter pipe, multiply coupons of the same diameter pipe may be required, but the number need to exceed for ASME BPVC 9 2021 consecutively made test coupon. The examination technique and acceptance criteria shall be in accordance with QW 191. D. Retest and renewal of qualification. Retest a welder or welding operation operator who fails one or more of the tests prescribed as applicable may be retested under the following provisions. Media retest using visual examination. When the qualification coupon has failed the visual examination, retesting shall be by visual examination before before conducting the mechanical testing. When immediate retest is made, the welder or welding operator shall make two consecutive test coupon for each position which he has failed, all of which shall pass the visual examination requirement. The examiner may select one of the successful test coupons from each set of retest coupons which pass the visual examination for conducting the mechanical testing. Immediate retest using mechanical testing. When the qualification coupon has failed the mechanical testing, the testing shall be by mechanical testing. When immediate retest is made, the welder or welding operator shall make the two consecutive test coupons for each position which he has failed, all of which shall pass the test requirements. Immediate retest using volumetric NDE. When the qualification coupon has failed the volumetric NDE, the immediate retest shall be by the same examination method. For welders and welding operators, the retest shall be examined to 6 in 150 millimeters plates coupons for 5 to examine 2 or more pipes coupon of the same diameter for a total of 12 in 3000 millimeters. 300 millimeters of weld, which shall include the entire weld circumference or pipes for small diameter pipe. The total number of consecutively made the test coupon need to exceed 5. And then further training when the welders of or the welding operator has had further training or practice. A. ex, ex, expiration, revocation, and renewal of qualification. Expiration, meaning of expiration is the qualification of welder or welding operator for process remains valid profits no more than 6 months have passed since the welder or welding operator last used the process. Continuity of qualification shall be confirmed by the qualifying or participating organization as identified respectively. A welder using manual for semi-automatic welding prolongs qualification for both manual and semi-automatic welding for the process. A welding operator using machine or automatic welding prolongs qualification for machines or automatic welding for that process. Revocation is when there is specific reason to question the welder or the welding operator's ability to make welds that meet the specification. The qualification that support the welding being performance shall be revoked. All other qualification not questioned remains in effect. And there are renewal of qualification. And a renewal of qualification that has expired under the rules may be achieved for any process by welding single test coupon of either plates or pad or any of material thickness or diameter in any position and successfully completing the testing. This successfully this renew the welder or welding apparatus previous qualification for that process for those material thicknesses, diameters, position, and other variables for which he was previously qualified, providing the requirement or satisfied renewal of the qualification under may be done on production work and B. Welders and welding operators whose qualification have been revoked under the provisions of both shall requirefully. Qualification shall utilize the test coupons appropriate for the revoked qualification. The coupon shall be welded as required by QW 301 and tested are required by QW 302. Successfully completion of the qualification test stores the perfect qualifications. And the last is welding data. They are variables. In the variables is their general its welding variables described in this article is applicable as an essential, supplementary, essential, or non-essential variable for production procedure qualification when reference its specific welding process. Essential variable for performance qualification are referenced in for each specific welding process. A change from one welding process to another welding process is essential variable and require requalification. Supplementary essential variable or procedure. Supplementary essential variable are addition to essential variable for each welding process. When the procedure has been previously qualified to satisfy a requirement other than toughness, it is then necessary only to prepare an additional test coupon using the same procedure with the same essential variables, but additionally with all of the requirement supplementary essential variables with the coupons long enough to provide the necessary toughness specimens. When a procedure has been previously qualified to satisfy all requirements including toughness, but one or more supplementary essential variable are changed, then it is only necessary to prepare an additional test coupons using the same welding procedure and the new supplementary essential variables with the coupons long enough to provide the necessary toughness specimen. If a previously qualified welding procedure has satisfactory toughness value in the weld metals, that then it is necessary only to test toughness specimen from the heat affected zone when such is required. When essential variables are qualified by one or more PQRs and supplementary essential variables are qualified by other PQRs, the range of essential variables established by the former PQRs are only affected by the letter to the extent specified in the applicable supplementary essential variables, except essential variables, the minimum and maximum thickness of base metal qualified. When supplementary essential variable applies, it modifies only the minimum thickness qualified, not the maximum. So there are my presentation about SME Sec 9 2021. Thank you for your attention, sir, and good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.